When vinyl siding is installed, the two locking mechanisms are very rarely pulled up together tightly. There's typically a small space between the two. This really depends on the installer and the quality of siding. Over time, this space can grow larger, mainly because of gravity and weather conditions, and eventually the siding becomes unlocked. Typically, it can be pushed up together temporarily, but eventually it becomes unlocked again. The loose siding fastener, after it's installed, fills this space, giving the siding more area to attach to. When the two locking mechanisms eventually become unlocked again, the loose siding fastener holds the siding in place and helps prevent the siding from becoming vulnerable to wind damage.